Millions of people still argue about something most of us learned in elementary school. Not aliens, not time travel, but the shape of the Earth. Some say it's flat, others say it's round. And this debate has turned into one of the loudest science arguments on the internet. So today, let's slow down, cut through the noise, and talk about where this debate really comes from and what the evidence actually says. First, a quick reality check. The idea that the Earth is flat isn't new. Thousands of years ago, people believed it because they didn't have satellites, space travel, or modern tools. If you stand on the ground, the Earth looks flat. That's a fair assumption when all you can see is the horizon. But science doesn't stop at first impressions. It asks questions, tests ideas, and follows evidence, even when the answer feels uncomfortable. Now let's talk about why some people today still believe the Earth is flat. For many flat Earth supporters, it's not really about geometry. It's about distrust. Distrust in governments, space agencies, media, and authority figures. When people feel lied to in other areas of life, they start questioning everything, including science. And questioning is not the problem. Science actually encourages skepticism. The problem is what happens next. Because when we test the flat Earth idea using real-world observations, it falls apart very quickly. For example, ships. When a ship sails away from shore, it doesn't just get smaller until it disappears. The bottom vanishes first, then the middle, then the top. On a flat surface, the whole ship would just shrink evenly. This has been observed for centuries, long before NASA existed. Then there's time zones. If the Earth were flat, the sun would behave very differently. But in reality, when it's morning in one part of the world, it's night in another. This only works consistently on a rotating sphere. What about flights? Airplane routes make no sense on a flat map. Pilots don't fly in straight lines on a flat grid. They follow curved paths that only make sense on a globe, and these routes save fuel, time, and money. Airlines don't gamble with physics. And then there's gravity. On a round Earth, gravity pulls everything toward the center. On a flat Earth, there is no clear explanation that matches real measurements without inventing new forces that conveniently can't be tested. Now let's talk about the biggest piece of evidence: space. We have photos, videos, live feeds, private satellites, independent astronomers, and even high-altitude balloons built by regular people, all showing the same thing: a curved Earth. For the flat Earth idea to be true, millions of scientists, engineers, pilots, sailors, and amateur astronomers across different countries and political systems would all have to be lying together perfectly. That's not skepticism, that's fantasy. So is there really a debate? In science, no, the Earth is round. More specifically, it's an oblate spheroid, slightly wider at the equator. That conclusion it. 10Q.